Snow happens, but you've got places to go. Meet the Snow Joe X20 Cordless Snow Shovel. 20 volts and 5,000 milliamp hour of pure rechargeable power. No gas, no cords, no fumes. Just push, clear, and go. 10 inches wide, 5 inches deep in one clean pass. Snow Joe's brushless motor is built tough to power through winter, with a high-speed auger that throws up to 18 feet. Lightweight, easy to handle, made for steps, decks, sidewalks, even tight spots around your car. It's the one you grab and go. One X20 battery, multiple tools, endless to-dos. Done. Reliable, rechargeable, ready to go. Backed by Snow Joe's complete 1-year warranty. This winter, go get it done. The Snow Joe X20 Cordless Snow Shovel with 20-volt battery and charger. Snow Joe X20. Go with Joe.